With all my luggage, a heart full of memories, and with a lot of excitement, I started my journey from Bihar to Bangalore. ये मेरी मम्मी पापा और मेरे चाचा हैं जो मुझे स्टेशन तक छोड़ने आए थे. They were very sad और मम्मी तो रोने भी लग गई थी. अब मैं दिल्ली पहुंच गई हूँ. दिल्ली में मेरे भैया भाभी रहते हैं तो वहाँ मैं एक रात स्टे करके फिर नेक्स्ट डे बैंगलोर के लिए फ्लाइट लूँगी. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू चैप्टर ऑफ माई लाइफ आई थॉट आई शुड गेट अ न्यू हेयर कट. एंड भैया ने बहुत अच्छा हेयर कट किया भी था. फुल फ्लॉलेस हेयर. आई लव्ड इट. अब मेरी जर्नी 2 स्टार्ट होती है फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू बैंगलोर. हियर आई एम on my way to Delhi airport to catch my flight to Bangalore. There is something about this road, from home to the airport, that I really love. Maybe it's the airport vibe, the lights, the people, and the feeling that everyone here is carrying a dream or a hope. Everyone has a journey of their own, and somehow I just love being a part of it. Here I am trying to maintain a healthy plate, but then cake and the muffins happened. वैसे लाउंज का वाइब काफी बढ़िया था. थोड़ा पीसफुल, थोड़ा फैंसी और काफी रिलैक्सिंग. After having breakfast, we went to gate 13 to board our flight. I forgot to tell you guys, while weighing our luggage, we found out that it was 4 kilos overweight. My brother and I were literally shocked. So we decided to shift all the extra stuff into our handbags because usually handbags aren't weighed. And after all that luggage का ड्रामा, फ्लाइट में बैठते ही मेरी आंख लग गई. मैं अपने न्यू लाइफ के प्लान सोच रही थी. आई वॉज वेरी सीरियस अबाउट इट. कॉलेज, यूट्यूब, पोस्टिंग्स, एंड मीनवाइल माई ब्रदर वॉज बिजी टीजिंग मी अबाउट समथिंग. ट्रैवलिंग विथ हिम इज ऑलवेज फन. पता नहीं कब serious plans turn into random laughs. After all the chaos and excitement, it was finally time to begin this new chapter. And just like that, we landed in Bangalore. And my first impression of Bangalore, honestly, I really liked the vibe. Airport काफी beautifully और aesthetically maintained था. Everything was so clean and organized. हर थोड़ी distance पे dustbins, everything was so well managed. And the whole place had this calm, fresh vibe. मतलब बैंगलोर आते ही first few minutes में ही लगा यार this place has a different vibe. And then came the first task after landing, getting our luggage and figuring out what to do next. And surprisingly this time our luggage came first. 5-7 minutes में ही bags आ गए. बैंगलोर पता नहीं कब से मेरा ही वेट कर रहा था. Then we finally stepped out of the airport. And honestly, the weather was the first thing I noticed. The air was so calm, cool and breezy. After the heat back home, this felt so refreshing. थोड़ी देर के लिए तो बस वहीं खड़े होकर उस हवा को महसूस करने का मन कर रहा था. My hair were literally flying and I was like, okay Bangalore, I think I'm going to like you. And then with all our luggage, we finally got into our cab and headed out. There is actually a little story between Bangalore and me. As a kid, a medical store uncle once asked me, where do you want to settle your clinic? And I randomly said, Bangalore. उस वक्त तो बस ऐसे ही बोल दिया था. Years later, here I am in Bangalore for my MPT. I don't know if my clinic will actually be here, but I do believe in manifestation. And the funniest part, I genuinely cannot tolerate hot weather. And yes, I am in Bangalore with some of the prettiest weather one can have in India. Then came the PG hunt. 8 PGs later, we finally found the 9th one. The room was small but airy and well maintained. And I loved the dining area and terrace. So finally, PG मिल ही गया. PG, food और सारे काम निपटाने के बाद, I somehow ended up playing pickleball for the first time. And just like that, I was on the court.